Good morning to all you good people. You're watching 3.0 TV. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, leading you into the world of digital currencies. Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.0 TV to provide an all-round update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of the evolving digital segment, including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity, and several other related issues. So keep watching 3.0 TV for all things related to Web3 to keep abreast of all the ongoing happenings and transformation in the digital space. And here are the top trending stories. Cryptocurrencies trade higher on hopes of smaller Fed rate hike. Nearly 15% of Indians traded in cryptos last year, says a survey. Indian crypto traders exploring foreign exchanges to avoid paying TDS, says a report. Crypto lending platforms raise rates as rivals shut down. NFT project Pseudo-Rare rug pulls users disappears with over $800,000. Blockchain company Mural raises $5.6 million. Distributed finance snaps up Algorand NFT marketplace Rand Gallery. Bankrupt crypto lender Celsius sues former custodian to recover $17 million. DOJ charges Miami trio with defrauding banks, crypto exchanges for $4 million. Cryptocurrencies traded higher on Wednesday as weak new home sales data rekindled investors' hope of a smaller rate hike by the Federal Reserve at its policy meeting next month to avoid a U.S. recession. New home sales fell 12.6% in July from the month before, the slowest pace since July 2016, data showed. U.S. stocks, however, ended lower on Tuesday after posting its worst day since June on Monday, as investors braced for more tough talks by Fed Chair Jerome Powell at a conference later in the week. A Reuters poll earlier on Tuesday showed that economists expected the Fed to hike its rate by a smaller 50 basis points in September, instead of the aggressive 75 basis points to avoid tipping over the U.S. economy into a recession. The CME Fed Watch tool, which gauges investor sentiment about monetary policy, on Tuesday showed investors betting on a 58.5% chance of a 50 basis point hike, a reversal from a day earlier, which showed a 57% change on the Fed hiking rates by 75 basis points. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $21,500, up over 1.4% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,660, up over 4% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins too traded higher. Nearly 15% of Indian population, or over 115 million people, either hold crypto or have traded crypto in the digital asset in the past 6 months, according to a new survey by cryptocurrency exchange KuCoin. The report forecasts that despite the high incidence of tax and stringent norms, India's crypto market will reach $241 million by 2030 as younger investors continue to believe of long-term returns on digital assets. More than half of crypto Indian investors plan to increase their investments in crypto in the coming 6 months, with 52% of those having invested in crypto to earn passive income that can help them improve their quality of living, the survey showed. Nearly 56% of those surveyed believe crypto to be the future of finance. As per the current tax regime in India, cryptocurrencies attract a 30% tax on all gains. On top of that, an additional tax deducted at source (TDS) of 1% is imposed. Hence, Indian crypto traders are reportedly rushing off to global platforms such as Binance and KuCoin to avoid paying TDS and carry out their trade. According to a report based on data from app analytics platform AppTweaks, in the months of June and July, Cayman Islands registered crypto exchange app Binance was downloaded 750,000 times by users in India. Apart from that, US-based Coinbase and Singapore-based KuCoin saw nearly 200,000 downloads. The comparatively less popular Kraken, based in San Francisco, saw around 16,000 downloads. The report noted, based on a source input, that about 40 to 50% of these downloads generally convert to active users. The 1% TDS went into effect in July for Indian exchanges. However, global crypto platforms continue to operate as earlier and are not subjected to new taxation structure. Several crypto lending platforms including BlockFi, Gemini, and Crypto.com have raised their rates in August after the collapse of key rivals which squeezed liquidity. This month, BlockFi raised rates on BTC, UNI, and USDT, as well as the stablecoins USDC, GUSD, PAX, and BUSD. The percentage increase ranged from 0.5% to 2%. The rates for Uniswap have been raised across the board. Nexo has increased the yields on Bitcoin and Chainlink balances while decreasing the balance limits, allowing customers to access higher rates at lower balance levels. SudoRare, an NFT platform forked from SudoSwap and LooksRare, rug-pulled users and stole the entire 815,000 of users' funds, comprising over 154 Ether and 60,000 USDC tokens. On August 24th, developers of the project deleted all of its social media accounts and sent the funds to 3 different addresses after draining both the funds. SudoRare platform for automated market makers and an NFT marketplace offered a yield farm to users who staked Looks, XMON, and WETH for its own tokens over 1 week. LooksRare's native token is Looks, which is a fork of the leading NFT marketplace OpenSea. Mural, a blockchain startup, has raised $5.6 million in a seed funding round to help projects manage their treasuries behind their decentralized autonomous organizations. Galaxy Ventures, a part of digital currency group, venture firm First Minute, and Palumni, the Palantir Alumni Venture Capital Fund, were among the investors in the project. Mural debuted on August 23rd with the announcement of initial funding and partnering with Superfest, a community-powered music festival. Distributed Finance, the team behind Algorand-based DAO management tool Zest, said it raised $2.5 million in a latest funding round led by Borderless Capital, with the participation from the Algorand Foundation and Eterna Capital and others. The new venture also acquired Algorand NFT marketplace Rand Gallery with an aim to promote the growth of non-fungible tokens and decentralized autonomous organizations in the Algorand ecosystem. Well, those were the top trending stories. Keep watching your favorite channel, 3.0 TV. I'm Vinita Chatterjee signing off.